Arbitrum, the layer 2 scaling solution, is quickly becoming a game changer in the blockchain industry. With its ability to process a large number of transactions off-chain and reduce gas fees. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of Arbitrum, how it works, why it has such great potential for the development of crypto, but also as an investment. Arbitrum has great growth potential, but also hosts one of the biggest airdrops in crypto history. The airdrop might put a heavy load on the initial price, but after the initial selling pressure, some insane 10x or even 100x growth could happen. Stay tuned for some price predictions later in the video. As usual, these videos are not financial advice, but now let's get to the point. First, what is Arbitrum? Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum designed to enhance its performance and scalability. The technology uses a technique called optimistic rollups, which allows for a large number of transactions to be processed off-chain and then validated on-chain. This technology aims to improve the speed and efficiency of Ethereum transactions while reducing gas fees. The Arbitrum network is a home to a variety of decentralized applications, including NFT marketplaces, DeFi projects, and gaming projects. But who are the founders of the Arbitrum network? The founders of the Arbitrum network are Ed Felten, Harry Koloner, and Steven Goldfeder. They're all computer scientists and experts in the blockchain industry, who previously worked together at Princeton University Center for Information Technology Policy. They founded Off-Chain Labs in 2018 with the goal of developing a more scalable and efficient solution for processing transactions on the Ethereum network. The result was Arbitrum, a layer 2 scaling solution that is quickly becoming a game changer in the blockchain industry. But how does Arbitrum actually work? Arbitrum is the leading layer 2 scaling solution on the Ethereum blockchain, and here is how it works. First, creating a second layer on Ethereum. Arbitrum creates a second layer directly on top of the Ethereum blockchain, which allows for more efficient transaction processing, and the second layer is called the Arbitrum rollup. 2. Optimistic rollups. Arbitrum network uses a technique called optimistic rollups, which allows for a large number of transactions to be processed off-chain and then validated on-chain. This reduces the amount of data that needs to be processed by the Ethereum network, leading to faster transaction times and lower gas fees. 3. Transaction validation. In Arbitrum rollup, transactions are validated by a set of validators. They ensure that each transaction is valid and that the state of the Ethereum network is maintained. 4. Fraud proofs. To prevent fraudulent activity, Arbitrum uses a system of fraud proofs, which allows anyone to challenge the validity of a transaction. If a transaction is found to be fraudulent, the validators will be penalized and the transaction will be rolled back. 5. Compatibility with Ethereum. One of its main advantages of Arbitrum is its compatibility with existing Ethereum smart contracts and dApps. This means that developers can easily integrate their existing projects with Orbitrim and take advantage of its faster transaction speeds and lower gas fees. Number 6. Handling complex smart contracts and its functionality. Orbitrim is designed to handle complex smart contract functionality off-chain, which reduces the load on the Ethereum network. This allows for more complex and resource-intensive applications to be built on Ethereum through Arbitrum. This without sacrificing speed or efficiency. In summary, Arbitrum creates a second layer on top of the Ethereum blockchain using optimistic rollups. It validates transactions with a set of validators and prevents fraudulent activity with a system of fraud proofs. It can handle all of the complex smart contract functionality off-chain, basically offloading that from the Ethereum network. So let's talk about the Arbitrum ARB token launch and the airdrop. Arbitrum is set to launch its native governance token called ARB on March the 23rd, with a maximum circulating supply of 10 billion ARB tokens. The token might already be live when you watch the video, but I think the information here is still very important to know about the project. The platform plans to airdrop 11.62% of the total supply to its early supporters and 1.13% to developers building apps on the platform. To be eligible for the airdrop, users need to meet certain criteria and earn a minimum of 3 points, which are determined based on the numbers of transactions, months active on the platform, and smart contract interactions. The amount of ARB a user can receive through the airdrop varies based on the eligible points, with a minimum of 625 ARB and a maximum of 10,250. As for the price prediction of ARB after its launch, it is difficult to predict, but experts have tried using metrics such as market cap, fully diluted valuation, and total value locked. Based on the market cap and FDV of Optimism's native token OP, which is the closest competitor to Arbitrum, analysts predict that ARB's price could be anything between $0.62 to $1.09. Another figure used to ascertain ARB's price is total value locked, or TVL, which indicates the total deposits on a network's DeFi protocols and represents an ecosystem's liquidity. Orbitrim ranks 4th in terms of total value locked among all blockchains, with a total value locked of $1.82 billion. Some professional analysts estimate that ARB's price upon launch could be around $1.82. So now to my own personal conclusion. I'm impressed by not only the marketing stunt of the airdrop, but the overall hype of Arbitrum. Basically everyone is talking about it, and honestly I think it will dip in the beginning, but I also think a nicely timed buy after the dip could yield 10 to 100x returns. Now I want to be extra clear that this is not investment advice, it's just an analysis of the situation and what can happen. Now that's it for Orbitrum. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.